So fun fact, this bike isn't even powered on, as you can see. I'm just pedaling it with good old analog power. It's so light, the crank arms are the perfect length. And I'm just cruising around the expo without using any battery. And we are headed back to the P51 booth to drop off this beautiful Bullet that they let us borrow for the Motow exhibit. And on that note, if you don't know about Motow, we offer a range of e-bike carriers and motorcycle hitches, the most popular being the double e-bike carrier, which I've had for about 4 years. I put 9,000 miles plus on mine. 2 cross-country trips, no issues. They're manufactured in the US. The support is in the US. Hey, what's up, brother?
How you doing, man?
How you doing?
Saw you last year here.
Yeah, pleasure. Yeah. Good to see you again.
How's it, man?
How'd you enjoy the?
Yeah,
you're on the channel.
Yeah.
How'd you enjoy the show this year?
Good.
The layout's so much better, right?
Yeah.
It is.
How's your show been?
It was great. We're here with Motow this year.
Oh, okay.
Double e-bike carriers.
Yeah, you were here with
Ariel last year. Yeah. So what was the coolest thing you saw at the expo this year?
I really like the EV9. I've already kind of decided I'm pulling the trigger on the Ioniq 5.
Okay. So what was the coolest thing you saw?
So this is my first one, and I'm looking to buy in the next few years, and I really wanted to find something that was similar to Kia Soul.
Okay.
I kind of like the Kona.
Those are so nice, the new ones.
Yeah, I mean, I did like the Ioniq 5.
The Hyundai steps it up every single time they upfresh their lineup.
Yeah.
It's insane.
I really wanted basically a Kia Soul EV, but I don't think they're gonna do that.
Oh.
No, it doesn't sound like it. Because we both own Kia Souls.
Okay.
And I'm just like, if they just made that electric, I would just instantly buy
Yeah,
that.
I would just keep buying.
Yeah,
like,
And the range would be so good because it's a little hatchback.
Yeah,
I'd get one.
It would be perfect.
It was good to see you again, man.
You too, man.
Rusty's over there at the Motow
Is he
booth.
over there?
Yeah, if you keep snaking around to the end, you'll see the Motow booth. Look for that. He's in the booth chilling. Yeah, he's got his little goggles on, just kicking it.
Okay, all right, cool.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure,
Take care.
Hey, see you.
Likewise. All right, they were nice. I do remember him from last year. He was loving the Grizzly, but it looks like he's on the market for something else now. And kind of hard to argue with him when there's so many options out here. But this feels like a regular bike, I gotta be honest. Pedaling this thing with the battery off is the most enjoyable time I've had on an e-bike with it turned off. This thing is amazing. And the suspension, you can't really see it from this perspective, but my goodness. If my eyes were closed, I'd think I'm on a Sur-Ron. It's like the ultimate cruising bike, man. It's just a cherry on top that it's the sexiest bike here. There they go. P51 booth, still packed. Special delivery.
What up?
Dude, I just rode this thing all around the expo with the battery off.
Yeah.
Feels like a regular bike.
Yeah, it pedals really well.
It's so nice.
7mm pedals and everything.
I don't even know what gear it's in, and it's still shifted. It
it's just single
pedals
gear.
so nicely, man. Oh, it's single gear, okay.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, it is a single gear, yeah.
And if you ever come by, we're local in Huntington Beach too. We have a showroom and everything's there. So you can actually come there, you can check them out, buy them, you can ride them. Yeah, of course. Nice.
Yeah, man. Thank you so much for letting us borrow. Yeah, we're getting ready to pack up. I figured I'd ride this one over.
We forgot you guys had this. This is good.
There you go, man. Thank you so much for letting us borrow the bike.
Thank you so much.
Eye candy. It just drew him to the booth.
Yeah,
Love it.
That's what I like to hear.
But first time I rode one with the battery off, dude, I'm in love, man. I gotta get one.
Dude, they're fun. Did you get to ride them with the battery on yet or no?
I've only ridden Yatus.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I've ridden Yatus.
He's got the handle works.
Yeah.
All set up on there.
Yeah, but I think I'm gonna have to get one of these on my channel ASAP because
Dude, that'd be sick.
now I'm just down to my Talari and I don't have anything fun to pedal.
Yeah. Yeah.
So like I'm on the road all the time. I stay off bike paths because I want to be respectful.
Yeah. This you get to go on all the bike paths.
I just love. It's so squishy. It's just so much fun. I could do that forever.
I know.
Thanks again, man.
Oh, yeah.
I'll tag you guys on reels and stuff like that,
Dude,
man.
I
I got a ton of content for you guys.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, we'll have to meet up. We'll have to get some content down on
Absolutely.
the channel.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
it.